learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Jutian train station in Pingtung County is the only remaining wooden train station in the area, and today it's been converted into a beautiful park, preserving many of the old relics like barns, rice mills, the old station, and other facilities. After taking a stroll through the park, you can then visit the Pingtung Hakka Cultural Museum near the Shisha train station. The museum showcases the history of the region and Hakka people, such as their migration and customs. Plus, their traditional blue shirts, accessories, and tools are on display to give visitors a glimpse at the Hakka people's rural lifestyle.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿平狗 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And we're going to get to travel to different places around Taiwan with a lot of Hakka culture with Leo. And in particular, this month, I think we are focusing in Pingtung and also a place known as 竹田。好像这个月呢，我们要把竹田玩透透的感觉呢。
对啊，当然咯。
那今天我们要到竹田的哪里呢？
好，去竹田怎么去呢
？OK， 据我所知，竹田其实离屏东市、高雄市不远啊。所以我应该会坐高铁到高雄，然后从左营呢再找个客运过去吧。
其实也可以筹付茶叶啊，坐火车。
That's actually a good way.
超赶。而且在屏东的竹田的火车站啊，哎呦，这可不得了了，这是屏东县上唯一的木造火车站还保留下来的嘞。
No way. Okay, actually, one of the best ways to get there is just take the regular train, and because there's a lot of culture, especially at the station in 竹田, it's the only wooden-built station left in Pingtung County.
对，它有一个名称叫做竹田一眼。
竹田一眼 ，OK， 竹田一园。那到了竹田之后，还有什么地方可以去呢？
其实它周边就是变成一个像观光公园嘛，所以它会有谷场，你可以去看一下老谷仓。
So it's a warehouse actually, kind of like a rice warehouse， 就是以前这个储存谷的地方嘛。
对。
OK， 这也是非常有历史这个价值的哦。
是，除了另外有一个地方一定要去的可以去屏东客家文物馆
啊，文物馆嘛，对，每一个地区的文物馆应该去参观一下。It's probably the best way to learn about the culture immediately is going to the Hakka Culture Museum, and there's one in 竹田。再讲一下客家文物馆怎么说？
客家文物馆。
客家文物馆 ，OK。And don't forget， 最好就是坐火车过去。
超嘎。
It's all about 竹田 and it's talk about Hakka. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.